We apply powder matching the natural color of the skin or translucent powder to the entire surface of the face using a large brush. We darken the sides of the face with powder one tone darker than the natural skin color. The transition from one shade of powder to another should not be noticeable. The boundaries between color spots must be carefully shaded. Dark powder can be used to visually correct the shape of the nose. In this particular case, we apply a small amount of powder to the bridge of the nose to visually make it not so high on the tip of the nose. This technique will allow us to visually make the nose shorter. And on the wings of the nose to visually make the nose narrower.